So hey guys, tonight's gonna be a little bit of a flashback night for me. I'm gonna pull out an older saw, a saw I don't think you guys have seen before, at least seen me run before. It's one of my favorite saws. It's heated us for many years. Kind of a cool story behind this. This is actually the saw that heated my wife as a young girl. You know, this is the saw her father ran, and it's an old Jonsered 520 SP. I think it's around a 50cc saw. It's exceptionally light, but very, very powerful. I really enjoy it, but one of the main reasons I don't run it is my daily cutter is because the chain brake on it doesn't work anymore, and it's getting harder to find parts. So that's something I'm still trying to scrounge up. So if you guys know a good place out there to find, you know, kind of the whole chain brake assembly or something, I'm in the market. I'm looking for one, and I just haven't found one at a good enough price yet to jump on. But I think this summer I'm going to get this thing up to par here. So we're going to get out and do a little flashback of my childhood as well. Alright, so what you guys are going to see the saw take down is this big beauty right here. I know you're thinking, why are you picking such a big tree? Well, this is actually prickly ash. Prickly ash is kind of a nuisance type brush. It doesn't get very big. I think technically it's a tree. It's got these pokey thorns all over the place that just make your life miserable. A lot of times you cut these down then end up sprouting up 3 other ones. I want to make a bow. I used to shoot a lot of archery as a kid. I took my bow down to the park and I left it over there overnight, and that pretty much put the end of me shooting with an actual nice bow. And from that point on, you know, we went out and we would build our own bows. I don't remember what it was out of. It was almost like a willow brush type thing. It wasn't like a weeping willow, but it was these kind of flexy type things. And I'm hoping this material, I mean, it seems like the right girth, and I'm hoping it'll have enough flex to it that I can do that. Or if you look at some of these branches, they snap off pretty easy. So this will be a little bit of a test here. I just feel like making something to have a little fun with and shoot around.